Creating a newsletter in Brevo is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into Brevo. Visit the Brevo website and log into your account. Start a new campaign. Navigate to the Campaigns tab. Click on Create an email campaign. Set up campaign details. Enter a campaign name for internal use. Write a subject line for your newsletter. Add the preview text that will appear next to the subject line in the recipient's inboxes. Design your newsletter. Choose Design Your Email and select the drag and drop editor for an easy design experience. You can also select a pre-designed template or use the rich text editor if you prefer working with HTML. Customize content. Add content blocks such as text, images, buttons, and social media links by dragging them into your template. Personalize the newsletters with dynamic fields like the recipient's name. Ensure your content is engaging and relevant to your audience. Add recipients. Select your target audience by choosing a contact list or segment under the Recipients tab. Review and send. In the Summary step, review all details including subject line, sender information, and recipient list. Send a test email to ensure it appears correctly. Choose to send your newsletter immediately or schedule it for a future date and time. Monitor performance. After sending, track your newsletter's performance under the Report section. Analyze metrics like open rates, click rates, and subscriber engagement to refine future newsletters.